Welcome to middle of nowhere. I am the guy that literally lives in the middle of nowhere with my old ass cars, my new ass cars, and my piece of shit Ford truck. Alright, so today I'm going to be working on getting these exhaust manifolds off here. If it happens out like that fucking bolt, well, it ain't going to look too pretty. So, damn, it's so dark on this side. Oh, shade. Here, let's see if I get out of the light. There we go. So I've got only 8 bolts each. It's weird how these have studs and the other ones have kind of different type of lugs. I don't know, left or right. Bought the engine scrapper, you know. Try it is what it is. Hey, get over here, dog. Saf. Yeah, she's a pain in the butt, but I love her. She's my puppy. Hey, sit. Good girl. Hand. Oh, not your face. Yeah, hand. Other one. Yep. There. Yeah. Good girl. No running. Alright, see what I can get. I'm gonna lube it up and do that. Okay, so one side's taken off. Yeah, I had to switch my phone. Fucking other camera battery's dead. I even charged it last night. What do you expect? It's an old camera. It's just a piece of shit. Old what? Sony CyberShot. I'm not fucking advertising. It works for what it is. But, yeah. Fuck. I hate it when shit dies. Alright, so, yeah, I'm going to have to do that side now. Pretty simple. I was lucky that nothing busted. But I've still got 8 more bolts to do. And, I'm not going to bring these inside. Like, they're pretty grunchy and I'm trying to keep my house a little cleaner. And I can only do so much. And really, these are pieces of shit. I want decent headers on this. Alright, and then I'll try to work on the other heads. Or the heads. Alright, left side's off. You can see it's quite a bit of crap that's in there, all that corroded shit. God, that exhaust valve looks pretty bad. But this is an awful another original 1969 coupe. That is pretty nasty, that valve. So, yep, I'm going to be taking all that shit off. Lovely, huh? I lucked out. This side had oil on it, so it wasn't really hard to get off. Alright, try the heads. Yeah, so there's the other exhaust. Quite a bit of shit, dirt on there, but like I said, it was oiled up. Even then, you can see oil and shit in there. Once it focused, there we go. Yeah, a lot of carbon. But it's an exhaust pipe. What do you expect? They didn't want to fucking be fuel efficient back then. They just want to make money. Okay, so I've taken all the head bolts off. This head, the right side, and I don't know, never taken this off, so simple things. Like there's no bolts on it, so shit. What? Yeah. Here's my record bar. Just put a little bit of pressure right on here and just give it a... Oh, well, if I have to put it on the head instead of the fucking intake manifold, it'll probably be nice. Okay, come on. Am I missing something here? Like the 10 bolts on each head. It's all open. I'm guessing this just isn't able to come out easily. Maybe, but... Wow. Okay. So that's a fail. Okay, so I haven't cracked this thing yet. Oh, I can't get it off. Try to give it a couple taps with a dead blow. Either I'm missing something, or... Ah, there we go. So... Oh, yes, that's right. I remember that. Remember watching Roadkill. I remember the settings, and also Engine Masters has that shit. No, I'm not shouting out. I just like those. Oh, I'm an idiot. Dipstick bolt thing. Alright. Still has that tag. It's a little greasy. Alright, so. Probably would have needed that extra little yanking. Come on. Alright, let's take a look at this. That is fucking grungy. But all the valves don't look damaged. Nothing like that, so I can probably clean them up and be decent. Oh, fuck. Alright. So there's the pistons. That one's not bad. No scoring at all on... yeah. But you can see there's crap that came in from the exhaust pipe, so I have to be careful with that when it's coming out. I might just take the vacuum and just suck all that crap out of there, because that's not good. I don't want to grind that. Get out. There we go. Just move it out with the pinky. But yeah. Okay, so that's that. Got the old gasket I don't care for right now. But I'm going to leave that side alone, and I'll crack the other side. So, I'll let you just see exactly what I'm doing, because I'm just using 11/16 with a speed wrench. And it's not your fucking 3/8 size, it's a 1/2 inch, so just in case I didn't want it to snap, but I used a big ratchet torque wrench. Probably just seen it a little while ago. I'll crack this one a little more, so that stays on. Yeah. It's pretty dead simple. You would think it'd be a little harder, but for what? 2018, 2019. Dog, what do you... Yeah, don't be fucking eating that, you stupid dog. You chew on your wood. Go get your blank of wood. Yeah. What are you doing? That's exhaust fucking... Get out of there. That's fucking gasket, you stupid ass. Yes. Apparently that's a tasty treat to my dog. Go get your wood. Get it. Go get it. Not that. That's cardboard. There. On the... Over there. Pointing over there. Get it. Get it. You dopey dog. Alright. So I'm just gonna get these bolts off. Now to get the other side off. Got those bolts out. And okay. Oh, I'm getting old. Let's check that out. That's got some major shit going on. You can tell how like messed up that is compared to the other ones. I don't know if you can see all that. Yeah, you can. Good. Yeah. That's got major current, but this has got the worst. So there's some shit that's been on it for quite some time. Alright, I'll put this head down with the other one. I'll take a closer examination of the other pistons. Okay. Yeah, there's the heads. Surprisingly pretty clean. It's just, that's the bad one. Oil leak. The gasket's sort of good. No, I don't think that's supposed to, I don't know. I'm not too sure about these. Okay, apparently yes they are. I'm not a gasket pro, but yeah. So that's dried out. That's pretty nasty, but that's everything in there. Camshaft looks decent from what I see on just this corner. But yeah, you can see moving shit now. I've got shit in the lobes. What is it in there? I can't see it without the video. Damn. Yeah, so not bad. Shit down there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be like complete rebuild. Great. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it at that and go inside. Alright, so I'm back inside. Yeah. Not bad. And I'm now trying to remember which fucking head was which. Shit. Because they both look the same, but I'm pretty sure this is the right side, because I remember all the oil being on the left side. Oh, all I gotta do is flip it upside down and look at the valves. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave this one for this part, and then I'll start another video later on when I start working on these things and what they look like afterwards. Got to get those valves out of there. That's gonna be the biggest pain in the ass. I'm the guy from the middle of nowhere, and yeah, have a good one. See you on the next one.